Lashi. So today I'm gonna tell you guys how to do a cartwheel. So I'm gonna give you some tips and also encourage you to do the cartwheel. So let's get started. First of all, before you do the cartwheel, you're supposed to be confident and just go for it. If you're really scared that you will fall when you come to the upright position, don't be scared because it's not much thing. A cartwheel is the easiest thing you can do when you're doing gymnastics. So let's get to it. The first step is to keep one leg front and then you're going to keep your arms up. When you do the cartwheel, you need to keep your legs in this position right here. So I have tiles on my floor. It makes it very easy for me. So I'm keeping one hand in one box and the other hand in the other box. So like that, it's very easy for me. But you don't need tiles or boxes. It's very easy. You just keep your leg, arms up, bend down into this position, and then you just kick your leg up, and then your leg kicks up and it goes like this. The thing is, when it is a cartwheel, when you land, the leg that is in the back when you start the cartwheel should land first, and then this leg goes over here, like that. So first when you do that, you need to keep your leg slowly up. Then you get to the upright position. You don't need to learn to do the split or the straddle pose before you do the cartwheel. But since if you are a beginner, but I'm a beginner and I don't know how to do the split. So you just need to keep your legs a little bit straight and up, and then you land. So you don't need the split to do the cartwheel. Then you're going to keep a little bit high. Now you're going to keep another bit more higher. And now you're going to try to do the correct cartwheel with your legs up straight. 2, 3, go. Again. 1, 2, 3, go. Again. 1, 2, 3. Leg, arm, then kick. We're going to do that whole again. Now you can do the cartwheel. So you are supposed to do it in both sides, in both angles. But you can use any leg for the front side you are feeling confident with. So you just learn the cartwheel. So keep practicing for about how much weeks or days until you can do the cartwheel, and then you just nailed it. So bye bye. Thank you. Hope you can nail it. Like and subscribe.